Just another unboxing video of mine. I'm gonna do here, I don't want you to see who this. It enters on parcel. I'm gonna unbox here. As you wanted to submit live. Just do this. Okay, next. Yep, put it there. Now I gotta do this here. That is how you unbox the box. Unbox this like this. Okay, now, oh, a lot of fancy packing in here. Paper, whoa, I got some paper to pickle too here. Now, look, I bought brand new high definition video camera. And let's see what goodies they sent to me in this wonderful cardboard box. Made in China, the motherland. Made in the motherland of China. Oh, yes. Yeah, there's some reading material here I got. Manual and reading material course. Okay, I got a view. Oh, nice little battery here. 2 batteries. A wall charger here. Huh. This Wally charger. That was for, but that was the charger there. And a nice cable. An HDMI cable here. Of course, a beautiful cable in there. Here, and there's something down the bottom here. Let's see. Oh, another battery. A camera. Okay, I'm gonna put this into here for now. And this here, of course, a very wonderful box. I'm going to try to see what that. And a wonderful box here. Now, here's what you're going to get here. I'm going to open this up here, I guess. Basically, your typical cheap camera here, of course. This is typical, very cheap type of camera. As you're wondering, this is called a Canon. I'm not very good Chinese speaking, not very good Mandarin speaker, but I don't have a battery on this yet, because I gotta read the manual here and all that, and probably gotta charge some batteries up tonight too. So this is what you get here. Nice, beautiful case, camera, accessories, a USB jack, and so much more. Now, blog is now over. I unboxed a brand new Canon camera. Blog over.